Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Montevideo, Uruguay, and I'm at the arch, which leads to the main palace president building. Let's go take a look. So that's the arch right there, and they call it the gateway. The gateway, yeah, the gateway, that's what it's called, the gateway. And I don't know what the exact name of it is, and you can see the palace behind it, which is I think the presidential palace, and then that's the other church down there. Let me show you this one too so you can see it. So that's the way down there, you can see it. That's the Celestia Church, I think. I don't know, but let's go this way. And it's interesting too, they have these little squares here with people's names on them, you know, and so people buy these squares or purchase these squares. Olga did that one. No, thank you. And then this one is Horatio. And so anyway, but here is the gateway. Wow, look at this square. Let's cross here and get a good picture of this. So I think the guy said this was like the #1 picture or something too for the video, which is that one right there. Pretty amazing. I think that's the palace there. And that's the theater. I've seen the pictures of it. And Uruguay Presidencia. Hey guys, how you doing? Doing another video. That's funny. So they came with me on another tour I did. Tour, it wasn't a tour. We all went into the same place, to that Brenand place. So that's kind of nice. At least they remembered me. That's pretty amazing. It's really a cute little square, actually. And that's the theater over there. Let's go this way. Plaza Accessibilia certificate for the handicapped. Cute little fountains. That's that. Oh, this is the theater. That's the theater over there. Solis Theater. See it? Solis Theater. Theater Solis. And this must be the church. Yes, I bet that's the church. I had them backwards. Sorry, everybody. It's not like I ever get things backwards, which is like every video. But
walking around, getting to know the places.
Wow, that's an amazing building, and an amazing statue here in the middle too. Wow, what a neat square. You know, it's funny, I was gonna drone this. But I was droning that little park thing because it was really cute, and I had a bird strike, and the bird took down my drone, and it landed in a tree. So I couldn't get it back. So crazy. Wow. All right, everybody. Well, this is Independence Square in Montevideo. Video. I's are E's. A's are A's. E's are A's. I'm working on my Spanish. I even got a children's book on how to learn Spanish. Anyway, that's it for me, everybody. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for seeing your guy with me. Bye-bye.